Good morning everyone. Today is a short video from my second tender contract, which is maintenance for the flats which are spread all over the West Midlands. Now, job for today is to put another key lock because they've got another flat to manage. So that's what I'm doing here. Let's just go around. Okay, that's the one I'm doing now. We got SDS and this one. Now in my pockets we've got two plugs, pen, this and this. That should do the job. Now let's install the drill. It's gonna be a short video. That's the easy job. Plenty of small bits and pieces. Slightly above. Keep this straight. Mark it. Done. So we're drilling here. Yeah, so I've got another box to install. Oh, I think that would be a second location. Let's go with number 9. Let's see the text. Okay, all confirmed. Hammer, hammer. There we go. That will do. One plug in here. And one in here. Come. Who needs the hammer? Okay. Now let's start with top screw. We've got a washer, hanger. Let's pick that through. Okay, we've started that. Now we can tighten the bottom one. I'm in. Now let's tighten this one. Okay, let me just mix it up. Cool, job done. I'm not gonna show you another one. That was basically how to do the master lock. You can use 4 screws, but if you got good wall plugs, you don't need them. That's not going anywhere. Okay, see you on the next one.